Hello, biology. This video is all about showing you how to access your scientific method worksheet. Please be aware you will not be able to open up this activity until you have submitted your Edpuzzle of the scientific method. Also, be aware I have attached Chapter 1, Section 2 from your biology book that covers the steps of the scientific method. Please use this as reference. I have also made accessible to you the lesson that we've been covering in class. You are welcome to look at that as well to be able to help you in finishing this assignment right here. So the big issue with these Google LTI assignments is when you are ready to access the assignment, and I have to switch my account that's linked in here. That way it shows up the same way that it does for all of you. When you get into this assignment to access it, you do not have the submit button like you normally do in the top right corner. This time when you scroll down, please make sure you are paying attention to this. Do not click on the Open Assignment tab. Not until you're ready to submit. You must click on the file that is already loaded at the bottom and named with your name at the front. If you cannot access it from here, it is in your Google Drive. You could search for it in your Google Drive. I'm going to click on this tab here. It's like Google Classroom, where once that copy has been created, you have your own personal document that you can edit. So you're going to fill in all your answers, and when you are ready to submit, you cannot forget this step. When you are ready to submit, when it is finished, you must return to Canvas. You will open the assignment, and then you will hit submit. It's already there because it's been copied and linked in there for you. So that is all you need to do to submit your assignment through an LTI assignment in Canvas. And boom, done. All right, so that's how you do it. I hope that helps. I hope that if you are having an issue finding that document, that you can find it now. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask or show up for office hours for information on how to do these things. Have a great one.